That's right. You're looking at the Onpassive Wheel of Fortune. This is Dr. Bill Williams substituting in for Pat Sajak tonight. Yes, we still have Vanna White, but this is Dr. Williams giving you the Wheel of Fortune, giving you the picture of the future for Onpassive. So what is it about the Wheel of Fortune that we want to know? Well, the vowels are most valuable. So we're going to be talking about buying vowels tonight. I'll start off with some consonants, P, D, R, and N on the board, and Vanna's going to give you a vowel. If you purchase one, what's the cost? $97, of course. Every vowel will go through. A, E, I, O, U. Every one of the vowels will go through. And if you like a vowel, you can solve the puzzle. Start off with an A. What is an A going to give us? Well, we got 3 A's. The words are spread out across the board. A stands for audience. Who are they? Who are we trying to attract? Who are we in Onpassive? Well, the audience is the group of people out there who want a better system, a better way of life, a better internet, a better social media platform, a better income. All the people out there who want those things, listen carefully. You are our audience. Let's buy another vowel. Vanna, give me an E. Lots of E's. What does E stand for? E stands for educators. The audience of Onpassive will definitely be educators. Education is one of the pillars of Onpassive. We'll be meeting the educational needs of anyone from K through college and postgraduate work. You know, educators are always looking for a platform to put out their content. Students are always looking to learn from the best platform. And so we have a perfect match made here in Onpassive. We reach out to the students, we reach out to the teachers, the educators, and we put them together in our education module. Let's buy another vowel. How about $97 for I? I is only one I here, but it's a big one. I stands for influencers. Social media is the thing where people congregate and exchange ideas. Social media is run by influencers who tell their flocks what to believe, do, follow, listen to. So our audience is influencers. All the people who are influencers have lots of followers, and because they have followers, they will become rich as founders in Onpassive. This is a statement of fact. If you're an influencer out there in the world and you become a founder in Onpassive, you'll have instant monetization of your entire network. A lot of times you have to monetize over and over with most of the systems you are in, but with Onpassive, you'll monetize once and it'll go on forever. It's residual income. And so every influencer listening to this should buy a vowel, buy an I. Vanna, give us an O. An O shows up in a lot of places, and O stands for officers. Officers run businesses. Officers are CEOs, owners of businesses. They're leaders, they're owners. And guess who the officers talk to? They talk to their employees. You know, everybody just about in the world is an employee of somebody. 90% of the people are employees. The owners also talk to customers. The customers make up 99.9% of everybody in the world. Everybody's a customer of somebody. And so the audience of Onpassive is certainly officers and the people they talk to, employees and customers. That's a big audience. We will have a way for every one of the officers, owners of every business to meet their customers and their employees with the best systems through Onpassive. The final vowel is U, and U stands for universe. Everybody in the world includes the audience of Onpassive. That means the universe of everyone in the world. 9 billion of us will be all in as customers potentially for what we have to offer in Onpassive. Why is that? Because we have 50 ecosystem portfolios, platforms, products, tools that can be used by every person on the planet to do something. There is something of interest for everyone in Onpassive. Now we're in the pre-launch right now, but if we want to buy a consonant, we got to go into soft launch. So when we go to soft launch, we're going to have to pay more. $149 will be the cost of a consonant. So what would that be, Vanna? Can you give us a T? Yes, you can. T start to complete this, and you know we're getting close to people knowing what this is. This quote, this statement here is something that everyone who's a founder in Onpassive already knows about. What about an M? It all comes together, complete, automated, targeted traffic, making you money, and that's Onpassive. And so here we are. Those words spell Catmo, complete automated digital solution to run the internet with artificial intelligence as a backbone, using targeted traffic, makes you money, residual income, and that is the definition, everything that you need to know about Onpassive. It does it for you. You don't have to do any work if you don't want to. You can sit back and relax in your rocking chair and bring in the income with the Catmo from Onpassive. It's time to ride the unicorn. We're about to launch into the soft launch, and we're going into the hard launch soon after. It's time. This is the time we want to get going with the Wheel of Fortune. Hello, everyone in Onpassive and GoFounders. This is Dr. Bill Williams, and today we're going to have some fun. We're going to be looking at the ecosystem. In just a few minutes, you're going to have the Wheel of Fortune. We're going to describe some of the actual features and facets that we see within the ecosystem, and we're going to spin the wheel, and we're going to have the Wheel of Fortune land on the VPN, Virtual Private Network. That's going to benefit all of us for privacy, keeping our data safe. What's the next Wheel of Fortune spin? Here we are. We're going to land on OShop. Now, if we have a platform to buy and sell, that's going to be dynamite. Look out, Amazon. What do we have next? We're going to land on Academy, one of my favorites, or one of the things that the education universe is going to love. Students, the teachers are all going to migrate to Academy, teaching the courses around the world. As we spin the wheel on Onpassive, we come to Bless. Everyone will be blessed when the nonprofits and the charities are put into this system, this platform. You're going to all win. The next spin of the wheel gives us Pal, a new product we don't know much about, but it's the individual communication device that we all need. Booking. Could this be the calendar of the future? How we book our appointments? Does it link in with everything else we do? Of course. We spin the wheel and we see what comes up next is the Leadership Council. Yes, it's the Leadership Council that makes things run and go and interface between Ash and the rest of the founders. These are the leaders of Onpassive who are donating their time to give us focus. The next spin of the wheel gives us, what is it? A free trial. That's going to set us free to try the products without any cost. We're going to share it with our friends and our family, and our customers can come from the free trial. People will jump in when they get a free trial. Resellers can take that free trial and use it to their advantage. Once people see the benefit of being in Onpassive, they're going to want to be a reseller. People will become rich being resellers of Onpassive. 3 and free, yes, that's the secret to success. Get 3 and then you got no more expenses if you're a founder. This is the way you want to go. Get your base built now before the launch. And finally, what do we have? So here we are at OTracker. OTracker gives us an idea of what the traffic is, where we're going, and where we're going to send it. Next on the Wheel of Fortune is a wallet. We really like our wallet because that's where our money gets put. That's where we take our earnings and we can take them digitally as cash, and we can send them out in many, many ways to pay our bills. The launch, this is a really important part. This is what we've been waiting on. This is what everybody desires in Onpassive, is to launch soon. So here we are ready for the soft launch and soon the launch to the public. Nothing would be better than to launch this big puppy and get it going. So all that means that we are ready for Catmo, complete digital solution. Automated artificial intelligence, guided and generated, giving us targeted traffic. It is money in the pocket. This is Onpassive. This is the system that is going to make every founder well off. This is the traffic building device. This is the money making tool. This is our life.